Hello everybody, hello, and a lot of you have asked me what happened to the monthly budgets. Let's get rid of that. We are in the month of March when you see this video, and I do get paid 3 times this month, so you will see a budgeting video for a little bit after each pay period, so I know where all the money is going. So for this first period, we have $1,315 to spend. And the first thing, of course, that I spend is going to be rent. So that is $340. And $340. There we go. So, and I break up my rent over each paycheck. So $340 is not the total for the month. It's just the total for that paycheck. I do live with my brother. I don't have any kids, and I do not drive a car. Everything is within walking distance in my town and within a cab or transportation of any kind. So I really do save quite a bit of money on that. So the rent. Now that first month, that first paycheck also sees the internet bill. And I always pay $100 on the internet bill. My internet bill is actually something around $80 the whole month, but I go ahead and get it out of the way. And then, of course, I have my phone. And my phone is $42. For the month, it is very low. It's just a very low phone. And another thing that I do is I have a store grocery haul, household haul. So now we have $583 left. I have a credit card payment, and I break my credit card payments up over each paycheck. So I put $150 each paycheck, and on the credit card are my subscriptions, any unboxings that you see, anything that I buy as far as clothes, like from the Nadine West subscription boxing, which I think I have pulled away a little bit from the Nadine West. It was okay. I did keep quite a few pieces. I kept 5 of the 7 pieces they sent. But I am going to try another clothing subscription maybe. I do use Splendies for the undergarments and things like that because I really like the quality of the items that I get from them, and I get 3 items every month. So I'm very, very, very happy about that. Okay, so another thing is we do not have a washer and dryer, so the laundromat, that is $40. And again, we are doing a budget for everything and everything in a budget, so this is a zero-based income. We will be spending down as far as all the money. All the money will have a place. So, health care. Now, I do have a copay with the health department. It's not the health department, but with the clinic that I go to. And then I see one general practitioner, and I see 1 specialist, and also medication. So we put that down as $60, because I don't do this every month, but I do have it set aside every month to do that. So that ain't bad at all. Okay, so now we've gone through the rent, the internet, HEB's grocery haul, the credit card, the laundry, the health care. The credit card is a little high, but like I said, I put all my excess spending on things. So let's talk a little bit about my savings. So I have 3 months savings, and into that 3 months savings, I put $100. And then into my retirement, which is, I will explain that a little bit in another video. I put $150 a month. And then for goodwill, cabs, transportation, things like that, we're going to put the other 83. And some people have asked me where I get these amounts as far as the budgeting is concerned, where I get this Excel sheet. I actually found this Excel sheet on Etsy, and if I find it again, I will link it down or put a community post up about it. So what you're going to do on this one, you can click the different months. You can have up to 4 different incomes, budget and actual. We have 0 left to budget, 0 left to spend. Here are some different expenses that some people go through that you can do a custom category. And I always start out 1 paycheck, 2 paycheck, 3 paycheck, 4 paycheck, and do the different things that are done. With that, I don't do it monthly. I do my budget paycheck to paycheck, which isn't bad at all. And what are some other things that some people can have? So you might have car payment. You might have car insurance, price of gas. My utilities, which I do pay utilities, but I lump that in with the rent because the utilities are provided for by my apartment complex, so I don't separate that out. So the rent will receive $340 each pay period. And even though I'm receiving 3 paychecks this month in the month of March, I will just have extra credit on the rent. So utilities are for some, like that. Daycare, a sitter for you work at home mamas. You may have office needs if you're working from home, things like that. And that I also put in with my credit card. So the $150 that I'll be paying on everything. That does cover my office needs and stuff like that. People have asked me about the goodwill and the cabs, so I do take cabs to some places like maybe the post office or have them drop me off at Walmart. So that stuff, and that usually costs about $10 each way. And I go maybe twice a month. But the goodwill also is me helping out a couple of friends that I have. So sometimes if they're running a little short or something, I will send them some money. And that's where that comes in too. So the car payment, car insurance, gas, utilities, daycare sitter, office needs, those are all things that are on, either don't apply to me or on the credit card. But this is just a little bit of how every penny is used. So I don't say that I have extra money or extra this or extra that, but that's simply how it goes. Anyways, I do want to thank you. If you enjoy budgeting videos, hit me up with a like, subscribe, as well as the bell notification. My name is Becky, and I will see you next time.